To buy a cold devil spread on Robinhood, start by opening the app and locating the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the stock name you want to purchase the spread for, and then select the stock from the search results. This will take you to a screen displaying the stock's price. Next, navigate to the right side of the screen and click on the Trade Options button. This will open a new screen where you can buy options for your selected stock. Begin by clicking the Buy button, and then select the ask price you want to use for the stock at the bottom of the screen. After that, click the Sell button and choose your bid price, similar to the bid price for the stock. Robinhood will recognize this as a cold devil spread, and you will see this indicated at the top of the screen. Finally, click the Continue button, followed by the Review button, and your cold devil spread will be purchased. The process is straightforward, and following these steps will allow you to successfully buy a cold devil spread on Robinhood.